How to change Snapchat notification sound to default. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to change Snapchat notification sound back to normal. Now open Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat app like this, now go to your profile. After you open your profile, in this section, now go to Snapchat Plus. After you come to Snapchat Plus, now scroll all the way to down. Go to custom ringtone sound, this one. So for now, I cannot be able to change the custom ringtone sound because I don't have Snapchat Plus. If you want to change ringtone sound or notification sound on Snapchat, you must have Snapchat Plus. So if you want to subscribe, tap on this next button. So from this option, you can go ahead and choose your subscription, either monthly or yearly. After you subscribe, now go back. If you go back like this, so if you come to this Snapchat Plus, if you come to the option again like this one, this option now, if you come to this option, you can be able to change Snapchat notification sound to default or back to normal. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.